Intro. Hey everybody, so today we have a bunch of random stuff to do. No, that's stupid. Alright, in this video, we're going to be doing some powder coating and we're going to be doing some general cleanup. If that doesn't interest you, I apologize, but I hope the rest of you enjoy this video. Ew. I guess. Oh no, guys, where am I gonna store this at? I thought it was a lot smaller. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, where am I gonna store that? Oh, I'm gonna have to make an entire thing. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, my shop is such a mess. Guys, it's a disaster. Look at all this. I can't even walk over there. Oh. Guys, that's pretty sweet. So we're gonna turn our temp up to 400. Element to both. Ooh. Ooh, that's sucking all of my power. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Huh. Well, that's not great. So now I need to get an air compressor, and then we can actually coat some stuff and try it out. Well, I guess in the meantime, I can work on cleaning. This is taking a little while. I want to get rid of all this scrap metal. That's a lot of scrap metal, but oh, it's so clean over here. Oh, I love it. Okay, air compressor and a whole bunch of parts and other materials that I need for this. And knives. Always need knives. Okay, there's my air hose. Okay. Okay. Close that. It's on 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay guys, well, here's hoping. Okay guys, so here's the first part. Not the nicest finish. I kind of lightly applied it looks like. But I mean, compared to spray paint, that is honestly faster and looks so much better. We'll see how this one turns out. It might be a better coat because I laid it on a little bit thicker. All right, just did a couple of parts in white. It's like a high gloss white. I am loving this. I'm super excited. This oven works incredibly well, so I'm loving that. The powder coater works great. I just need to get some containers to store paint in, so I'm not trying to put them back in the bags because the bags don't really work that great. So I have some containers on the way. I am running out of time to get this video recorded, so I'm not sure what else is going to end up in this, but I'm going to let these parts cool off. Hopefully, the next thing I do in this video is cleaning, because this is a disaster in here. Like, it's just a mess, guys. I've been just kind of scrambling lately. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm super excited to be able to powder coat these parts and be able to make custom powder coated stuff. It's just super cool. I'm really looking forward to using this thing a lot more. Definitely gonna have to make some parts on it with my vehicle builds, so I'm looking forward to that. Again, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Sorry it's kind of a short video and kind of light on content, but I have had a lot going on, so I wasn't able to get too much footage this time. I do hope to be able to make a small announcement to you guys here soon. I got some stuff kind of brewing in the background that I'm pretty excited about. So I hope you guys all have a fantastic weekend. I look forward to posting for you again in a couple weeks. But for now, that's it, and I will see you all later. Bye.